Alright guys, well, today is moving day. We are leaving the slabs for good. We're headed over to Fountain of Youth for a couple of days so that we can get all cleaned up and fill up our waters and dump our tanks and do all that good stuff before we head on our next adventure. So we're leaving Spaceport 42 in the lovely hospitality of Joe. It's been a lot of fun, very exciting, making new friends and having new experiences. But it's time to move on. It's getting too hot. It gets really hot here in the summer, so yep, it's time to go. So I will catch you down the road. To Julian, and we took a pit stop going through the mountains. It's very windy right now up here. It says windy for 17 miles. I think I caught that on the video just a second ago, but beautiful. And we are going to continue up that way. It is, it's chilly. All right, guys, so like I said, we left Slab City, and we are definitely in the mountains. Look at this. There's pine trees, and there's hills, flowers, mountains. Look at the clouds. I think we missed rain earlier. But yeah, this is where we are. We're at William Heiss County Park. We are in, I think we're in San Diego County. I'm not sure. We're on our way to San Diego. And we stopped here in Julian. So this reminds me of home. But I just took the dogs. Whoa. So I just took the dogs for a walk up from our campsite to pay the fee so that we don't get a knock on the door saying, hey, where's your money? It's not very expensive. It was $24 for the night, then $1 per dog. And then if you are traveling with a companion, as I am, it's $4 for the extra vehicle. So, yep, this is where we are. This park has a day use area, and there are hiking trails all around. And here they have a water bottle filling station. So see if you can see the 2 spigots there. But if you're out hiking and you need to fill up your water, they've got a couple of spigots here so you can fill up your water. And then over here, this is the park. And it looks like there are a lot of different animals and fowl here. So maybe we'll see a deer or a wild turkey or a gray fox or a golden eagle or a bobcat. I think earlier we saw, I don't know if I saw a wild turkey. I know I saw a turkey of some kind, but I'm not sure if it was a wild turkey. But this is the little park if you wanted to just come and do a cookout and go on some hikes. All right, I don't know if y'all can see them, but there's a whole bunch of deer right down there. Probably gonna scare them, but let me go see if I can get a little bit closer. Try not to let the dogs freak them out too much. I know TRANE can smell them. Her ears are perked up and she's pulling that way. Oh. I think I'm gonna miss them. They're over in the brush. And off they go. Oh well, it was worth a try. You could see the top of the mountain over the clouds. And over here, the clouds are over the top of the mountain. And the sun is behind those clouds over there. I know we went from 300 something feet below sea level to 4,000 feet above sea level, so it's a big change in one day.